Attention, Windows Insiders! We've got an exciting announcement for you today, the release of Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 27919 to the Canary Channel. But before you dive in, there's something important you need to know. First off, we've made some changes and improvements to Windows search settings. We've consolidated the search permissions and searching Windows settings pages into a single, streamlined page under Settings, Privacy, Security, Search. This new page features a modern visual design, making it easier for you to browse and control your Windows search experience. Now, let's talk about the fixes in this build. We've resolved an issue causing File Explorer to crash when viewing the Digital Signatures tab in File Properties. Additionally, we fixed problems with the Microsoft Changjie input method and phonetic keyboards like Hindi and Marathi not working properly in the previous build. But here's where it gets controversial. There are some known issues with this build that might raise a few eyebrows. If you're joining the Canary Channel on a new Copilot PC, you may lose your Windows Hello PIN and biometrics sign-in options. And that's not all. You may also encounter error pop-ups in Group Policy Editor, app crashes due to an issue with DAO360.dll, and remote desktop only using your primary monitor even when configured for multiple monitors. And this is the part most people miss. As with all Canary Channel builds, these features and experiences are early in development and may never be released beyond Windows Insiders. Some features may change, be removed, or replaced over time. It's all part of the exciting journey of shaping the future of Windows. So, what do you think about these changes and improvements? Do you agree with the direction we're taking? Let us know in the comments below. We can't wait to hear your thoughts. Happy exploring, Windows Insiders. Amanda Brandon,